Ventures Hostel offers dormitory rooms in London, just 5 minutes walk from Deptford and New Cross rail stations. It offers luggage storage, in-room lockers, and laundry facilities at a surcharge. Free Wi-Fi and fresh linen are also available, and the bathrooms have 24-hour hot water. The hostel offers a bar and restaurant, the Royal Standard, offering a European cuisine including seafood, steaks, burgers and roasts, along with craft beers. The Royal Standard features a large reception area and bar, incorporating a mixture of lounge and dining-style seating. Access is available to the hostel 24 hours a day. Central London is just 15 minutes drive away, easily accessible from New Cross Tube Station, which is a 15-minute walk. The O2 Arena is only 10 minutes drive from the building. Lewisham is a great choice for travellers interested in convenient public transportation, parks and culture. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.